Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to the first show of 2021. We're in January now, coming back to work obviously after a nice bit of a break over Christmas and New Year, so I haven't really done much modeling, but I am filming this on the Saturday. Monday I'm going to be straight in here and getting building, probably starting with the Tempest straight away, but just to sort of let you know a couple of things, not much to sort of say, but we do have the Lockdown GB 2.0. Going to sort of announce the winner for that and sort of show you a bit of montage of all your fantastic work you guys have been doing over the lockdown. But just to start off, I did have 2 weeks off doing the videos, but we were still taking orders for the store. Thank you for all your support, and hopefully you're getting all your orders that you've got all nice and safe through the post. But with the store now, as you know, the website and the store, we're getting really close. We're hoping that it's going to be finished this month in January, and I'm hoping to be able to sort of have a launch date around about February, end of February, hopefully maximum the beginning of March, but yeah, it's getting really close. And just to quickly sort of throw out to you there, yes, prices are going to be changing. We are going to a new subscription system. It's going to be tiered and everything, and I just wanted to sort of quickly throw out, you've probably already heard it, but if you are a subscribing member now, a paying subscribing member, we are going to be honoring that, and it will cross over into the new website, but it is limited edition now. So if you subscribe after the new website's launched, you will have to be on the new subscription plan, but if you subscribe before the new website's launched, we'll honor it and we'll keep you on that subscription plan and honor it for however long you decide to keep it, which then brings us to last month's competition for December, which, as always, what we're basically doing now is if you win £40 to buy any one single kit from the Genesis model store, up to £40. But if you are a paying subscriber member, that threshold goes up to £75, so it does pay to be a subscriber if you win. And after doing the usual random number generation program, counted down the thread, I came to Barno. So congratulations, you Barno, you are December's competition winner. So I'll just give you a quick email, basically asking you for your mailing address, what kit you'd like, and basically asking if you are a paying subscriber member or not, so you can sort of buy whatever, whether it's £75 or £40, which then brings us to the next competition, which as I've just said, £40 if you win, £75 if you are a paying subscriber member. All you got to do is go to Genesis Models website, under the forum section, you basically make any post you want. You can leave feedback, you can make a little comment, or just say count me in or something to that effect, and you are simply entered. Nice and easy, and I'll announce the competition winner in next month's show, just as I've just done here. Which then brings us to what are we working on. Well, as I say, I didn't really do much last month with having time off for Christmas, but we do have our Tempest just here. I think you're all nicely up to date with the videos. I am hoping to finish this. I really want to try and finish this one this month. I've got some final sort of weathering bits to do, sort of get our wheels on, probably do some pigments, streaking effects, all sorts of cool little bit of weathering bits, getting that final matte coat on, and basically getting some nice final reveal photos. So it'd be nice to bring that one to an end, which you don't know yet, but I have started a whole new not a step-by-step but a rapid video build. I've got episode 1 done, and I want that one to start after the Tempest, but I think I'll keep it a little bit of a secret until we actually launch that. We also have our leopard here. I do need to put some work into this one. As you can see, we're all nicely sprayed up with it. It's ready for some deckling. I've got loads of wheels to paint up and sort the tracks out, and we are getting to sort of what I like about armored vehicles is I do find that armored vehicles, they're quite easy to they're just time consuming to build, but not really sort of that hard. When it comes to armored vehicles, it's all in the weathering. That, for me, I think that's what really makes an armored vehicle, and that's where really the skill level sort of comes in for armored vehicles, is really sort of giving it a good weathering, because there's so much you can do weathering wise with armored vehicles that can really make them shine above all the rest. So we are getting to that stage, which you know, I do like to do. As always, HMS Victory, it's up there, you know, just plodding along. Probably take forever to build. One day hopefully I might build it, well, get it finished, but you know, just plodding along as always. So now normally I'd have a segment here for kit news, but we're not going to have it this month, just to sort of explain why we're not getting in any new products for the store. The whole reason for this is, you know, because we're getting so close to the new website and the new store being launched, it's a bit of a waste of time to put new products in this beta store we've got to basically be there for a month, maybe two, to then you know, we've got to put it up again on the new website and everything. So we're not ordering anything new, we're just sort of keeping our stock levels up in that sense, because it does take a bit of time to add new products to the store and make the new listings for them and everything. It's just a bit of a waste of time at the moment, especially with the amount we're trying to do with the new store, because actually I don't know if I mentioned it last month, but the website developers have built the website to a point where we're adding the products to the new store. We're actually doing it right now, and I think it's better our time spent getting all these products on the new store rather than adding stuff to the old beta store. So that's why we're not sort of adding any new stuff. So but there isn't really that much going on. I mean, I've saw some new releases for 2020. I do believe, who was it now? I think it was Armor Hobby. They're supposed to be releasing a nice Hurricane Mark II 148 scale sometime this year. I know Airfix, they're releasing a B2 as well, 148, and then there was another one. But you know, they've got a few sort of new releases, and from what I'm sort of reading here and there on the internet, that because of COVID there was so many things that were put back. Right, I know Airfix has put so much back for ages and ages and ages, but hopefully this year we should see a nice load of new kits actually come out, because hopefully with COVID sort of coming to an end, big fingers crossed, that, you know, all the problems that, you know, the manufacturers have had releasing new kits and all these kind of things, that hopefully we'll have a nice big scourge of just loads of new kits coming out 2021. Big fingers crossed there for that one. And then we have the group builds. You know, on the 1st of January, we started a whole brand new group build, which is what you guys have voted for on the Genesis Models Forum, which was the new one, the Blitz, right? Which is kind of nice because we've just had the Battle of Britain that ended in December, and you know, by the way, I'm going to be doing a nice little montage video separate for that, probably next week, where I kind of show off all your guys' work and announce the winners and everything, getting the trophies and all that cool stuff, and we can sort of get those prizes shipped out. But that should hopefully come next week. But the Blitz has now started, so it's kind of two subjects that are quite close together. It was quite nice to see that. I mean, maybe the next group build we might see another sort of subject matter sort of roll on. Maybe we could work our way through World War II, who knows, but it's up to you as always to vote on the Genesis Models Forum what's the next one's going to be. But that'll probably be about April when I sort of put up the proposals for the next one. But anyway, yeah, Blitz has started. You know, it's all up there on the Genesis Models Forum for you guys to start doing your build threads and get in on there. You know, just like the last one, competition prizes, what was it again, competition prizes, 3 winners, right? You all get trophies. 3rd place, you get to buy any kit from the Genesis Model Store up to £20. If you're a subscriber member, that goes up to 40. For 2nd place, obviously a trophy, but you get to have a kit up to £30. It goes up to £60 if you are a subscribing member, and for 1st place you can have any single kit up to £50. But it goes up to £80 if you are a subscribing member. So a nice bit of, you can get yourself a really nice kit actually if you win that one, as well as just kind of coming together and building models and socializing, all that good stuff, which then brings us now to the lockdown group build. The lockdown group build 2.0 was just a nice quick build, group build that kind of just threw up there for you guys who are sort of isolating, for you to come together and build some models. Saw some really nice fantastic work that was done, but I had to pick someone in the end, and you know what, I really like this one because it's really different. It's a really, to be a winner, it's a really sort of a different kind of area and subject, and I had to go for VDBO's 76's Warhammer 40k. He's done some nice Space Marines, he's done some nice Necron Warriors, some nice figures, really painting them up really well. You can see all the techniques are being thrown in there, weathering, the nice highlights on there, bringing them all together as a squad as well. There's just something about miniatures like that where on their own, okay, but you sort of put them together of like a bit of a squad, a bit of an army, and it just makes them look really more cooler, if you ask me, rather than just like a single model. Really like that. I like the way he's done the Necrons as well. So congratulations to you, VDBO76. You are the winner. I'll give you an email for your prize, which was what was it again? It was £40, any single kit from the Genessis model store. If you're a subscribing member, that goes up to £75. And everybody who actually entered that one, we was giving away a 10% off code for that. So anyone who entered and finished a model, I'll give you an email with this 10% off code as well to use in the store. So hopefully you'll take advantage of that and use that. But sadly, we've come to the end of the show, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with all the fantastic work that we've seen from the lockdown group build 2.0, all that fantastic work. Let's go take a look at that, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.